Hey everybody, Stephen Geen here, aka Grateful Trekker, and today we are going to Tumbling Waters Nature Trail on Carter's Lake. Let's go! There's the lake, and we're off. Beautiful trail so far, following the lake. Had to catch this for Senior Hiker 77. He was talking about in one of his videos how the Native Americans used to bend the trees like this, and I told him that whenever I found one I would check it out. And he's off. Really pretty trail. Following this very tip of this lake. Oh, we got a treat for you guys. This is really cool. Great bridge. We're gonna go check out the big waterfall. Let's go. A little crowded in here, but I like this trail. And I like the views. Let's go check out some more. So here's the falls. We're gonna explore around here a little bit and try to see if I can get a little better view of it. Cool. Hey everybody, that was Tumbling Waters here at Carter's Lake. And as usual, everybody out there, have a grateful day.